Welcome to the second part of the orientation on technology tools.
The software and online applications. Software and online applications will help the students to do their offline and online tasks easier, such as learning activities, homework, projects, and quizzes. Some of the applications are available in your smartphones or laptops like text editor, word processor, spreadsheet, presentation program, and browser. Some of these can be accessed online for individual use or collaboration. Let's begin with the Office applications. Office applications are categorized according to purpose. It could be a word processing program, a presentation program, or spreadsheet program. Here are some functions of a word processing program. A word processing program is used to manipulate a text document. It is used to create, edit, save, and print documents. It can format the text such as font type, font size, bold, underline, and italic. It can create and edit tables and diagrams. It can insert elements such as images and clip arts. And it can correct spelling and grammar. Another Office application is the presentation program. It is used to show information in a form of slides. It allows you to insert and format text. Presentation can insert and manipulate graphic images. It is used to display the content in a slideshow system. It can use themes and backgrounds. And it can add transitions and animations. We also have the spreadsheet program, which can be used to create grids of text and numbers. It can add formulas for specific calculations. It can be used to analyze and store data. Spreadsheet can create graphs or charts associated with data. It was designed to meet different accounting needs. And it can be used in calendars, schedules, and inventory. In this orientation, let me introduce to you the applications available in Google where students can do their activities, homework, or projects. Students can easily share their works to their teachers. They can also do collaborative activities using the Google applications. These are the Google Docs, the Google Slides, and the Google Sheets. Let's get started. To access Google Docs and create document, open a browser and go to docs.google.com. For Chrome, click the Google app icon and select the Google Docs. Then, sign in with your school domain account. Click the plus sign to start a new blank document or select from the templates. Once you access the Google Docs, rename the title or file name of your document. You may type the content of your document. All changes will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. You may also use the formatting tools and options to modify your document. You may also share the document to collaborate with your colleagues. If you want to share the document to specific people or groups, add them using their Gmail or school domain accounts. To share your document to everyone, change the restriction option to anyone with a link. Then, you may copy the link and share it to anyone. Assign them as viewers, commenters, or editors. Another Google app is the Google Slides. To access this application, first open a browser and go to slides.google.com. For Chrome, click the Google app icon and select the Google Slides. Sign in with your school domain account. Once you open the Google Slides, click the colorful plus sign to start a new blank presentation or select from the templates. in your new presentation, rename the title or file name. You may also choose or import a theme for your presentation. Add slides and content on your presentation. All changes will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. You may also use the formatting tools and options to modify your presentation. You may share the presentation to collaborate with your colleagues. You may personally share the presentation with people or groups by adding their Gmail or school domain accounts. You may copy the link and share it to anyone. Choose from the permission level and assign them as viewers, commenters, or editors. We now proceed to Google Sheets. To create a new spreadsheet, first, open a browser and go to sheets.google.com. For Chrome, click the Google app icon and select the Google Sheets. Sign in with your school domain account. Then, click the colorful plus sign to start a new blank spreadsheet or select from the templates. Rename the title or file name of your spreadsheet. You may now encode the data in your spreadsheet. Like the Google Docs and Google Slides, all changes will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. Use the formatting tools and options to modify your spreadsheet. You may also share the spreadsheet to collaborate with your colleagues. Share it with people or groups by adding their Gmail or school domain accounts. You may copy the link and share it to anyone. Assign them as viewers, commenters, or editors. Docs, slides, and sheets are also available on Play Store and App Store. It is very important for teachers and students to have storage media for all the files or documents. To store and keep the files and folders online and access them anywhere from smartphone, tablet, or computer, here's the cloud storage solution, the Google Drive. I will discuss how to access Google Drive, create document or folder from Google Drive, uploading and downloading files or folders, and sharing files or folders. Let's get started. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service. It allows users to store, upload, and access files in Drive. It is used to view, update, organize, and search files in Drive. It can be used to access calendar, notes, and tasks. It is also used to share files and collaborate with Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets as viewers, commenters, or editors. To access the Google Drive, go to drive.google.com and sign in with your school domain account. You may also click the Drive icon from the Google App Chooser. Here's how to create document from Google Drive. Click the plus or new button. You will see a list of document types to create, including docs, sheets, slides, and more. It will open a new tab using that application. If you want to create folder from Google Drive, click the plus or new button. Choose Folder. Name your folder and click the Create button. To upload files or folders, click the plus or new button. Click File Upload to add a file, or click Folder Upload to add a folder with multiple files. You may also drag and drop files or folders from your PC or laptop to your Google Drive. To download files or folders, Right-click on your file or folder and select Download. The file or folder will automatically be downloaded in your computer. Google automatically converts the file to PDF or Microsoft Office equivalent like Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, while a folder with multiple files is automatically compressed into a zip file. If you want to share files or folders, right-click on the file or folder and select Share. To share the file or folder to specific people, add their account and set restriction as viewer, commenter, or editor. Notify the contributor and click Send. You may also share the files or folders using Drive link. To share the link, right-click the file and choose Get Link. You can change the restriction if you want anyone to access the file or folder. Copy the link and click Done. Drive app is also available on Play Store or App Store. You may download the application in your smartphone or tablet. To organize and streamline online classroom experience, here's a collaboration tool and cloud-based learning management system, the Google Classroom. Let me discuss how to access Google Classroom, how to join a class, and the Google Classroom environment. Google Classroom helps teachers supplement their classroom lessons. It is used to organize, distribute, and collect assignments, course materials, and student works. It is also used to streamline classes. To access the Google Classroom, go to classroom.google.com and sign in with your school domain account. You may also click the Classroom icon from the Google App Chooser. For new account, accept Google Terms of Service and Google Privacy Policy. You will be prompted if you are a student or a teacher. After signing in, students should join in their designated classes by subject areas. There are 3 ways to join a class. Students may join by email invitation from their teacher. They can join by invite link, or they can join using a class code given by their teacher. To join a class by email, go to Gmail. From Inbox, open the class invitation of your teacher. Then click Join. Class invitation also appears in Google Classroom homepage. Just click Join to accept the class invitation. To join a class by invite link, click the invite link sent by your teacher. Click Join Class. To join a class using class code, on the right upper corner of Google Classroom, click the plus button. Enter the class code given by your teacher. A class code is a string of 5 to 7 combination of letters or numbers. Then, click Join. Now, let us explore the Google Classroom environment. Let's start with the home page. The home page shows the list of your classes supervised by your teacher. We also have the classroom pages or tabs. First, the stream page. It shows what comes up whenever you log into your classroom. It could be an announcement, a material, an assignment, or a quiz. Second is the classwork page. It is where you will find assignments, quizzes, and questions. They are also organized into topics. Third is the People page. It is a list of all students currently enrolled in the class and the teachers. You may also check the main menu on the left portion of the classroom homepage. It includes the list of classes, calendar, to-do list, archive classes, and settings. For your smartphone or tablet, Classroom app is also available on Play Store or App Store. We also have the Google Forms. It is an assessment tool for online distance learning where teachers can create quizzes, surveys, and other types of assessment. Here are the other functions of Google Forms. Google Forms is a free online tool that allows you to collect information easily and efficiently. It is used as an assessment tool to assess the students and track their progress. And it can be used to manage registrations, surveys, quizzes, and evaluations. To access the Google Form from email, go to Inbox and open the Google Form invitation. Click the Fill Out Form button. Fill out or answer the Google Form. Submit your response. Make sure that you answer all the required items and wait for the result. You may also access the Google Form through Form link. First, click the Form link. Then, fill out or answer the Google Form. After you answer all the items, submit your response.
And those are the software and online applications for synchronous and asynchronous online learning.